So I just picked up this Worx chainsaw. I have a tree in front of my house that needs to come down, so I'm hoping that this will do the job. Let's open it up, take it out, and let's take a look at it. Alright, so this is an electric chainsaw. It's nice and light. Comes with a chain guard. Take that right off. The chain itself, it looks like there's a tightener where you can loosen and tighten the chain. This looks like it's right about right where I think it should be. The chain oil goes in here. It looks like there's a sight glass for the reservoir to see if you have chain oil in it or not. Obviously you have your trigger. It looks pretty straightforward. We're going to take it outside and we're going to give it a shot on the tree and we'll see how we do. Alright, so I got my saw all ready and we're going to give it a shot. Alright, I notched out the tree. Now I'm taking down the end of it. It's just about ready to fall. This thing cut through pretty good. Alright, so this chainsaw really worked pretty well. For smaller trees, I think this thing does a great job. You know, the auto feed of the chain oil makes things easier. Your tensioner right here, being able to loosen and tighten everything, makes things nice and easy. You know, it did a pretty good job. I was able to take down my whole tree. So for smaller trees, I think it'll work out great. For something larger, you probably need you know, something that's at least a couple inches bigger than this. But like I said, for my job, it worked out really good. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.